Hi there, this is Barbara Template, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a PDF into Canva and how to edit it. So I'm sharing my screen right now. So we want to insert a PDF and we want to edit it. It's possible in Canva. How you do it? So on your main page, you go to create a design and where is it? Okay. No. So on your main page, you go to create a design, and over here, as you can see, is import file down here. Yeah. So once again, create design and import file. So you click on this import file and you import any PDF you like. Oh, let me find some PDF over here. Yes, okay, so I've got some worksheet about Angkor Wat. Let's say we can use this one. Okay, so now it's uploading. Let me give it a while. Okay, we can open it. Okay, it's a little bit slower as I'm recording at the same time. That's a long worksheet, I guess. I should have chosen something shorter. So now we open it, and as you can see, it's already at the size of PDF. Yeah, so it's A4 size. And if we go closer, yeah, as you can see, each of the elements there is separate. Yeah, okay. The text. Yeah, I think even the borders over here. Yeah, here the text is in one block. Yeah, but as you can see, the lines are separate. So actually, what Canva does, she tries to divide each page on image and text, or maybe some elements. Yeah. So what you can do, you can nicely edit it. Yeah. So for example, let's try to edit this page. Okay. So first of all, maybe I want to have it in my brand colors, let's say. So with this one, I'll go all pink. I want to use my brand font. So I'll just insert some font in there. Yeah, I want to change the font. I can actually even animate it. Yeah. This one I want also different color. No, okay, so this won't work. So I want it like this. I want to edit an image. So let's say I want to give it some filter. Yeah. And maybe this text. So I can edit the way the text is given there. So let's say, okay, I want it like this. I want text smaller, 12. This one I want it like here, and this one I move it, let's say here. Okay, so you can edit your PDF as you like, as an image. Yeah. Or for example, I want to have a different background, so I'll go for pink background. Okay, I like this one, as you can see, and I can change the background. It's much faster and easier than editing Word, I think, because you do it in Canva, you edit it as an image. So this is how you can you can insert your own picture. Sometimes the big text is in bulk, but still you can actually just copy the text and divide the text as you like. Yeah. So once this is a great tool for those who, for example, use Canva for education. You create different worksheets, so you can recycle your old worksheets which you have, make them nicer, brand them, insert, like add your website link, your logo. You can add videos and so on, make them more interactive. Yeah. So once again, just to revise, how do we get it there? So on your main page, create a design, import file, you choose a PDF you want to edit, your PDF opens on your main page, you open your PDF, and then you work with a PDF as you like, you edit it as you like, and you can use all the features that Canva offers to make really amazing, beautiful PDFs, the presentation of your work, or whatever you're using the PDF for. So that's all for today, and I'll see you next time with more tips about Canva. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy if you ask me or comment down below in the comments. And see you next time. Bye bye.